Hi loves, welcome back to another episode of Diva Decorating. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make these easy water flower centerpieces. Now you can use these for any occasion. You can use these for events. You can use it just for everyday use on your table setting. They are a wonderful and beautiful addition. Now, before we get started though, I want to let you guys know that I am almost at 100 subscribers, and I told you that I would let you know if I would be doing a giveaway, and the answer is yes, I will be doing a giveaway. And I think that I'm going to have 2 people receive a prize in the giveaway, because I'm just so grateful and I'm just so thankful that you guys take out your busy day to watch my videos and to listen to my voice. And, I'm just so thankful that you guys are here. And I want you to continue to be here. And I'm going to try to give you everything that I can with these DIYs, with home decorating. And I'm thinking about doing more things so you can, have a variety of things to watch on this channel. So probably in the next video, I will let you guys know all about the rules and what you need to do to enter. And believe me, it's going to be it's not going to be a lot, okay, because I am on a budget, but it's just going to be something to say thank you. Okay, so now we're going to get started. In this video, I will be using these glass jars from the Dollar Tree, and I have 3 of them here because I'm going to do 3 different styles to give you an option of which one you might want to do. You're going to need some bling wrap of your choice. You can also, but optional, you can use these glass candle holders. You're going to need some sort of cutting device, wire clippers, to cut these Dollar Tree faux flowers, and that's of your choice. You're also going to need a LED tea light candle set from the Dollar Tree. I'm also going to use these real wax LED floaters, and I purchased these from Michael's. You're going to need your hot glue gun. You're going to need some water. And you're going to need some of these red scatters, but that's your choice. You don't have to have them in it if you don't want those in there. Okay, so let's get started. In my first vase, this is what I'm going to start off with. I'm just going to add these little gems in there that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Well, first, let's put our little LED light in, and just to weigh it down so it doesn't float up to the top.